Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel. And here we are, another product review. This is super exciting. I do product reviews for things I'm interested in or I would use myself. I don't do anything that I genuinely am not interested or want to use. So this one is from the company called Utaste, and I haven't even opened it. So I'm going to open it, and this is for a set of spatula, silicone kitchen utensils. So I'm excited to see it. So I'm going to open it with you. My cool little Teflon scissors. These got Teflon on them, like no, totally non-stick. Those came from my father-in-law's house, and we were out there. I was like, what? Teflon scissors? I need those. So I kept them, and I'm glad because I use them on all this kind of stuff. Okay, so let's, ooh, these look pretty cool. Ooh, nice. Okay, so I'm excited to try these. So here they are. It's the silicone utensil set. And the reason I like to use silicone is because, you know, if you remember back in the 70s, I used a lot of these Visions cookware pots, and they're glass. And it's kind of like with a non-stick. You want to make sure that you don't scratch the inside of your pots, because if you do, then you can compromise the integrity of them, just like a canning jar. You don't want to use a metal utensil inside of a canning jar because you can get these little micro scratches. So let's check these out. I haven't even looked. Now, I've read about the quality of them. They are super nice. I'm excited about this. Ooh, these are nice. These do not feel flimsy. These, okay, there's things I'm going to look at. Now, there's going to be a link down in the description for you. This is really a nice spatula, and you can feel it's a hard core inside. Let me show you this other spatula I have. So I have this one, and I don't like, look at the shape. It's not, I don't even know where these came from. I've had these for a long, long time, but I am really impressed with the feel of this. It's nice, and I like, that's really a nice one. And then this utensil set also comes with this slotted spoon, and I like how that works. Like, you know, oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. And this nice spoon, that's a cool spoon. And I like that more for like a serving spoon as mashed potatoes and stuff. It's not like a whole bowl spoon, so it's easy to clean off. And then there's the slotted and the solid spatula. And I have to tell you, the hard core, I mean, this feels solid, like I'm trying to bend it. But look at that edge. The edge has a little bit of play, so you're not going to scratch things. But this edge has a very nice, I'm going to say it's a real, not sharp like cut you, but sharp enough that if you're scooping something up like eggs, you're going to get under them. Sometimes spatulas will just have, or silicone things, will have a wider edge so that when you go to scoop something up like an egg, you just push it. This, I can tell, will really slide underneath there. And this is by Utaste, and this is the silicone utensil set. And I have to say, I am genuinely impressed. They have an extra long handle. I'm going to read the benefits here. Long handle, they're dishwasher safe, ergonomic design, and I can tell because each of them have a little divot for your thumb that just kind of gives you a good hold. It's got a nice hook thing so you can hang them if you want to. They're heavy duty, heat resistant, easy cleaning. And here on the back, this one is called Aqua Sky, and it has it in purple, red, orange, midnight blue, and black. And these are so nice. Operating temperature range is from 40 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 40 to 230 centigrade. And of course, you don't want to use these with knives or anything because they're silicone. They can cut, so you don't want to do that. But I think these are awesome. If you have any comments or suggestions about our products, please feel free to contact them at utaste.com or customer service at utaste.com. And I am excited about these utensils. So, product review. Utaste silicone utensil set, and they have all different things. So if you go over there, I'll put a link. Check out their website. They have spatulas. They've got different spoons and things, and I wanted to check out the utensil set. And I have to say, these are quite nice. Let me see my old one. Let me get, oh, okay. So let's look at the difference in size. This is a spatula that I've had for a while, but look at it in comparison. Like that's quite a bit bigger, this spatula. Looky, look. I mean, look at, it's just better. It's just nicer. I love it. Okay, there you have it, you guys. The U-Taste one-piece design, and that's also nice because you don't get food in there when you're washing it. One-piece design silicone utensil set. I hope you guys check it out. If you have it, if you try it, if you get any of their other products, let me know. But I say this review is a positive one. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.